Hello friends, welcome back to my channel Beauty Blend by Daljit 100 Days Nail Art Challenge. In this series, I'll be creating unique and easy nail art designs every day. For today's look, I'll show you how to create this beautiful blue and white polka dot nail art using dotting tools. It's beginner friendly and looks absolutely stunning. So, let's get started. Get the perfect nails with long-lasting and vibrant nail polish. Whether you love glossy matte or glitter finishes, you can find amazing nail polish collections online on Flipkart. Shop easily and get your favorite shades delivered to your doorstep. Try it now for salon-like nails at home. A dotting tool makes nail art super easy. Create perfect dots, floral designs, and stylish patterns effortlessly. You can buy dotting tools online from Flipkart at affordable prices and get them delivered to your doorstep. Try it now for creative and beautiful nail art. This nail art palette is perfect for beginners to practice and learn different designs easily. "100 Days Challenge continues. Catch you next time. Like and subscribe.